Hi everybody, the Ripstick is a fantastic device. It was invented by a guy named Shuaib Islaam, and it was for keeping inmates in prison in good shape. And it's a very effective device. It's portable, right? So you can take it anywhere. Here I am standing here in my family room, right? No special gym or anything like that. And very effective. And I made one for 10 bucks just to prove to myself that I could. Now, if you want the original, you can buy it for 67 bucks. I put the link in the description so you can buy the original, but I made this do-it-yourself one there for $10. And if you want to learn how to do that for yourself, at the end of this video, there'll be a thumbnail. You can click on it. It'll take you straight to the video and you can make yours for 10 bucks. So right now what I want to do is I'm going to show you a chest workout you can do with your own do-it-yourself Ripstick. It'll be in 3 parts. Your main part of your chest, the upper, and the lower. So what we're gonna do for the main part of your chest, we're gonna start out holding this Ripstick open, and then we're gonna open and close it, and I guess it's what Mr. Islam called clips. So we're gonna do 10 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to do 10 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to hold it for 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're going to give ourselves 10 seconds rest. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to do 8 clips. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to hold for 8 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to give ourselves 8 seconds rest. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6 seconds rest. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guessed it. Now 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 seconds rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you might have guessed it. 2, 1, 2. Hold it open. Press for 2. 1, 2. Hold for 2. 1, 2. And you're done. Now we're going to give ourselves 30 seconds rest, and we're going to go up by the odd numbers. So you might want to stretch out a little bit. Maybe take a sip of water. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. We're going to start with 1, just 1 clip. Hold it out, press, hold for 1, second rest. 3 clips. 1, 2, 3, press for 3, and 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. 3 seconds rest. 1, 2, 3. Now 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Press for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rest for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 9 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Press for 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold for 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And rest. Do you need a good pre-workout or just want more energy for housework, yard work, or everyday activities? Try the new upgraded Saba ACE with Chromanex 3 Plus, clinically tested with impressive results. For energy, focus, and fat burning, get Saba ACE. Link in the description. Now back to the video. Okay, now we're going to do the upper chest similar to an incline press like you do at your gym. Okay, and it's going to be the same format. I'm only going to do half. I'm only going to do the progression up. You know what the progression down is. The progression down is just doing odd numbers. But we're going to do the progression up doing even numbers. So we're going to push up at a 45-degree angle from horizontal, right? And then do our clips, starting up with 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 10 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 10 seconds rest. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now 8 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And hold for 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And take 8 seconds rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now go for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold for 6 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6 seconds rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now go for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 seconds rest. 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one on the way down. 2, 1, 2. Press for 2. 1, 2. Hold for 2. 1 and 2. And now you're going to take 30 seconds rest and do the progression back up. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, the last exercise is going to simulate a decline press. Now, the decline press that you do at your gym, you have your head down, your feet up, and you're pressing like this, you know, with your feet up, with your head down. And so we're going to simulate that by pressing down at a 45-degree angle with our ripstick. So, and I'm just going to do half the sequence. I'm going to do the sequence going down by even numbers. So we're going to spread it out, and we're going to do 10 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold it open, 10 presses downwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to hold down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take 10 seconds rest. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fully extended. 8 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold it open in 8 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold it open for 8 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to rest for 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you guessed it, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it open and press for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and hold for 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to take 6 seconds rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it open. Press for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 seconds rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. And clip for 2. 1, 2. Press for 2. 1, 2. Hold for 2. 1, 2. And then you take your 30 seconds rest and then go up from 1 to 9 by 2s, right? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on this video right over here to learn how to make your own do-it-yourself ripstick for 10 bucks. That's it. That's all. See you next time.